Hey Glam Fam, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So by the title, I'm sure you guys can see that I'm gonna be shaving my face today. And I've done it. I haven't done it in months, but I have done it before. Like I was doing it consistently for a while, and I would do it like once a month. I haven't done it in a while, and like my face isn't like super hairy or any crazy thing like that. So I just thought I'd share why I do it and the purpose for it and how I do it. I got this video idea from Jaclyn Hill, and I feel like we do it pretty similar. I did get a couple more techniques from her, and just like I never used to shave my forehead, but I'm gonna try shaving my forehead today because I just felt like, I don't know, I just never did it. So anyways, so what I use is this. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. No, I use these ones, and you can, they're literally so cheap. They are. They're like, I think they come with like 3 for $1 or 3 for $2 or something like that. It's cheap. It's like less than $1 for each one. You can even get them at the dollar store, and you'll probably get 1 or 2 for $1. But yeah, so we're gonna be using these. Don't mind me because I'm gonna be looking over here, but I'll be showing you guys too. So we're gonna use, and you use these, honestly, I use these probably more than 3 times, maybe like 5 times. I don't know, because no, maybe not, because like I said, I only do it like once a month when I was doing it. So maybe I do only use them like 2 times. I did just clean my face and exfoliate, and I put a mask, and it's all fresh. I haven't put any moisturizer on or anything because I just want to make sure that it's just a clean slate, like a clean face and a clean base. Clean face, clean base. Just to make sure, you know, because I don't know, I just feel like it's nasty if you have stuff on your face, because you're just gonna, not nasty, but it's gonna like just clog up on here, and you're not really gonna be shaving your face. You don't want to use these. I never have, just because I feel like I would feel manly doing it. I feel like I would feel like a man, so that's why I like these. Jaclyn Hill said she used it before in a pinch, when she was in a pinch, and she felt like her hair grew back thicker with this one. So I don't know if it's like the double, not specifically this razor, but with a man's razor. I don't know if it's specifically like because it's like different blades or what, I don't know. But let's just get into this. What is this intro so long for? So yeah, let's just get right into it. But before we get into it, I'm gonna give you a minute to subscribe. Yeah, that button down there. Subscribe. Subscribe! Because I have videos coming for you guys. Okay, you good? You good? Did you like the video too? Don't forget to like it. Okay, I'm done with my crazy ass. So we're gonna shave our face. Okay, so you do want to be careful and just make sure not to like get too close to your eyebrows. Don't like, just be careful. Please be careful. And if you're underage, ask your parents before doing this. And yeah, just be careful because you don't want to get hurt. So yeah, I always like pull up the skin and just shave. Look how much. I didn't even tell you guys, I didn't even tell you why I really do this. Ew, there's like hair floating around. Gross. I do this because it's a smoother application for my makeup. And like, literally it is. Like, it feels like a baby skin. So, but let me try. So for my sideburns, I just pull them up. And then I just get the hairs that are like right there. And right there is always, do you guys see it? That's disgusting. That right there. Yeah, that's gross. I always have the most hair like right here. It's so weird. Look. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not good. And you just go very like light. And these aren't like that sharp. You can like hear it. Make sure to get all up in there. And I go, look at the peach fuzz. Do you see this? Like, you can't see it, but that's a lot of peach fuzz. Like, we have a lot of peach fuzz on our face. So gross. It's so much. I haven't done this in so long. It's kind of fun. Is I just pull these up and I just shave like right there. It's really close to it. So I'm getting like all the extra hair, like not my actual sideburns. And then again, once it comes close to your eyebrows, girl, be careful. And then I also do under here to get all those little hairs. You just go like that, line it up, and then just pull it down. And look how like better it looks. And in between your eyebrows, girl. And then I go like, I'm not gonna actually do it, but I go all the way down to like where my eyebrow stops. Just be really careful. And I never shaved my forehead before. I mentioned this in the beginning and I'm gonna do it today. It's so weird because there actually is hair and dead skin on my forehead. I didn't think there was like really hair on your forehead. Like, obviously like right here, but I didn't think like that. And then once I like get my whole, I feel like I got my whole face. Oh, I'm gonna do my nose like Jaclyn does. Creepy. Oh my gosh, you do have hair on your nose. Shut up. That's crazy. That's insane. I feel stupid right now. Please comment down below if you didn't know you had hair on your nose, like on your nose. I feel like that's why my contour never goes well on my nose. mean, I think once I really think about it, it makes sense. It's actually really getting in. Oh my gosh. Like, it's getting in my blackheads. Or it's getting like all those little, you know when you clean your nose with the little tools? It's like getting all of that. I'm like mind blown right now. Is this disgusting? Okay, I'm done messing with it. So, like, you probably can't really tell anything, but I swear to you, I just need to brush off my face. That infamous pink brush. So now I would moisturize and do all that, and then do my makeup, and then we'll be good. So I do that about once a month. So that's it. This video is super short. I just wanted to show you guys how I shave my face. If you have any questions, link them down below. Let me know if you shave your face or if you've been thinking about shaving your face, anything like that. You can go visit all my social medias and blow them up and ask me questions if you want. It's all good. So until next time, you guys. Bye. Until next time, you guys. Peace.